I will tell about my journey in robotics. In some videos, I have told about my journey from college till I did a job and what basically I do. But there is no video about what I am currently doing, how I went through all the robotics things. So I will just decode all these things in this video. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end and subscribe to the channel as well. Basically, how did I start with my robotics journey? In 2020, I started with my engineering bachelor's in automation and robotics, where I studied about robotics in general, like what is robotics and all. So, what I think is your degree is important in terms of what you learn, and you get a base. The college part is your base. So, in that particular case, college is important. But if you ask me in terms of skills, then college doesn't matter at that particular level. Just remember this point. You should have a decent college, not very bad. Okay, just remember a decent college, and then ultimately you have to work upon your own skills. No one is going to help you. Just remember this particular point. No one is going to take your hand and tell you that okay, you should learn this particular thing. You have to figure out on your own way, because this is your journey. So this is how I started with my robotics part. And in the beginning, I was confused, as same as you guys, like what I have to learn. But before going to engineering, I had that clarity what I have to do. Okay, so just remember, just write down what you want in terms of after your 4 years, whether you want to do a job or else you want to start your own thing. So it should be very clear. I did freelancing in non-technical stuff in video editing, graphic designing, and even I learned some skills. To be specific, I learned about Python programming, about computer vision, then built some OpenCV projects, and also I did some non-technical stuff in freelancing, as I said, like video editing, graphic designing, where I got to also explore about marketing. Because of my clients, I'm very grateful to them. I got to learn more things in terms of marketing and all, because I was managing my own expenses. So that is the thing. So it gave me good experience in terms of all those things, and it was hard to manage during my college part, but you have to make it. I enjoyed less and I don't regret about it at all, but I focused upon my skills and all those things. After my college, I never thought about doing a job, but still I had 3 to 4 offers, maybe more than that, I think so. But still, we will consider 3 to 4 offers, out of which some were IT companies and a robotic startup as well. So I joined a robotic startup, one of them, did a job for around 10 months to 12 months. After my job, I started my own company. Okay, what is that company? Before going to what is that company, how I got that idea that I should start my own company. During my engineering itself, I purchased a domain name for a community named Robotry. So I was thinking how I can make it my own company, but I was not getting that clarity. So after doing a job side by side, I registered a company, and then I started it full time in April 2025. I left my job. Then from May 2025, I did it full time. Having said that, I worked part time during my graduation and also during my job as well. I conducted different workshops. What workshops? It is ROS2 workshops. You can watch some videos of mine where I have explained about ROS2 workshops, what it is and all. So you can just watch about them. So likewise, I started my own company in May. And what is this company? So the name is Robotry. Of course, the community link is given in the description. You can join that. It's free. Don't worry. And what is this company like Robotry? So Robotry is a platform where we develop products and also edtech. So my company is edtech company as of now. We are focusing on giving trainings, roster workshops, then some robotics courses, or else you can say trainings. Live trainings are conducted by me or else my mentor. And the next thing is about product development. We have Square Robot and also some robotic arm, which might come in some time. So we have some products as well where we sell in nation and also we export. Okay, so this is about my company. I am founder and robotics engineer. I have some team members. So this is how it goes. Okay, so this was about my company and my robotics journey till now. This was only about what I do, all those things. I have made some videos about how I went through the college part and all this stuff. If you want more things about me, like I should share my journey during engineering and also my current journey, if you want all those things, just comment below robotics journey. If I get maximum comments, I will make a video for that. So this was for today's video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.